ever woke up with this pain in the eyes or unable to open your eyes? The eyes have become watery. There's continuously water coming out of eyes. All these are signs of dry eyes. The main reason for this is long screen hours. When we are looking at the screen for long hours, we do not blink, and that is how eyes go dry. Dehydration, AC exposure, stress are some of the other reasons for this. Now, how can exercises help? Simple eye exercises help us to boost blinking efficiency. They stimulate the tear glands and it also increases lubrication. Let's see these exercises. So, take your index finger, place them on the corner of your eyes, blink slowly, and squeeze your eyes. Hold and release. Again, close your eyes, squeeze, hold, and release. Repeat this 20 times. Second exercise is close your eyes. Now roll your eyes clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax. Another exercise which can help, take your index finger and gently massage under the eyes. And let go. Remember, do it on the other side also. Try this out next time your eyes go dry, or next time whenever you're sitting on the screen for a long hours, take a break and try this.